Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Monster Hunter Now GPS or ER tracking error. The first thing you can do is to go to your settings and then apps. Tap on all apps, then you can either search it on the search bar or scroll down until you find Monster Hunter Now. Go to storage and cache. From there, click on Clear Cache, then Clear Storage. If the issue persists, you can also restart your phone. After reopening your phone, go to your settings, then apps again, click on all apps, and then go find the Monster Hunter on the app. You'll see there the option or section that says permission. Go to the location and use allow all the time with precise location.